Hello everyone. Draw two half bee and connect those two bees with a line. Then draw two legs, hand and then two eyes, nose, cute lips, ears with pink and a blush and it's ready. Carefully draw the face of the monkey, its ears, its legs, its hands, an onion in its hand. Then take any sketch pen of your liking and then color it. Color the body and tail with dark brown. See how cute it looks. Draw a cloudy-like structure, two snaily-like structure, connecting them together. Draw eyes and lips, two cute legs, and then color the ear and face with orange and skin color respectively, and rest with grey color. Draw a twisted 6, then a half 6 connecting to them, then legs, ears, tail, wagging it, and a beautiful red flower in front. Draw two ears and a body, two legs, tails, eyes, ears. Color the ears with pink sketch pen. Give it a little brush below the eyes. Draw grasses. Draw a circle, two ears, two eyes, one cute little nose, whiskers, the mouth, two hands and a body. Then color that body with the help of yellow marker and then it's done. Draw two heart shape and then an oval shaped structure. Then draw the body, the tail, two eyes, nose, whiskers and cover that body with grey. Color the ear with pink. The next structure is of a porcupine. Carefully draw the body with small dotted structure and then two ears, one eye and then hold it with an apple. Draw one circular structure, two ears, two hands, two legs, two eyes, one mouth, whiskers in between, blush and pink colored ear. Thank you for watching.